I did a little bit of shopping, guys. Guys are hungry. Beautiful out here. Such a nice area to have a summer house.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy. Alright.
So it's a little good. I sat here for an hour and spoke to my mom. Ah, it was nice. Well, I guess I went inside for a bit to show her the food I had made. Everything's going well with my siblings. Everything's going well with her. She got a new rescue dog. Now she has 2 galgos. Again, she got what was a former racing dog. So, not one that had been beaten or anything like that, thankfully. But yeah, everything's going well. I told her how things are going for me. She's just happy. Everything seems to be going the right way for all of her children for once. Mà rồi. Mấy cái. Look at that. We're just chilling out after eating, and then it's back to work. On this brand that makes organic soda, dude, it's amazing. Organic soda with not a lot of sugar. It's a lot better than regular soda. Englermark. Another day, guys. It's been nice today. I'm just hanging out with Stony in voice chat now. Ended up sitting around in the kitchen talking with Jens for hours. It was nice, man. Well, I'm kind of tired, guys. See you tomorrow. Good morning, guys. I'm watching some China Observer, or rather listening to it, while just clearing up all our stuff. The people who own the summer house are gonna show up today, so I'm just clearing up all our shit, putting it in the rooms, clearing up the common areas, doing some vacuuming, and yeah, Jens is out getting some stuff we need to continue. And I have to go on a bit of a ride later. I gotta go talk to the government. Okay, I cleaned up the bathroom. Cleaned up everything. I think it's looking pretty decent now. Alright. Yeah. Doesn't look like a goddamn mess anymore. Time to work. Guys, I made it to the government building. I'm just sitting here on my wheel, having a cigarette, looking at this great vista. It's amazing. I'm running low on power though, on my phone. I didn't bring a way to charge it, so I kinda gotta save a bit of power. I made a quick stop to get an ice cream. It's the perfect weather, right? Ice cream and then home. Or not exactly home, but back. Work. Even better than an ice cream, guys. I got I got a bomb-ass milkshake. It is great. Strawberry milkshake. Keep it simple. Keep it great. I miss this. Yo guys, I made it back. I didn't show you any of the ride, but you've already seen it with some nice music. I'm just here waiting for the ferry. I didn't need to turn the sign, it's already on its way. I'm just gonna smoke a cigarette, relax. It's a nice spot. Oh, there's gonna be a huge amount of places I could hide a tent here. Nice. I just spoke to a woman who drove off. She left them some food. They got this nice system. She just puts it in there, locks the box, and then they can open it and get some food. This is one of the things I like about small little local communities. They always help each other out. It's not so impersonal as in the big cities, where you don't even know your neighbors. Currently feeling a little guilty. Like the ferry went over here just for me. Like it was already on the way back where I boarded, but it went over here just with me, a single passenger, having paid only 110 krona for a return trip. So 55 krona, ain't no way that's paying for the energy expenses. I even told them, like, listen guys, because someone had left some food for him, listen, just eat your food, I'm not in a hurry, you know, thinking maybe a few other people show up, but I guess it's just how the system is. I mean, it sure is convenient, but I would have felt better waiting another half an hour for some cars to make it make sense, spending all this energy. Oh well. I met a nice guy and his dog. Ended up talking to him for a bit. We just sat there smoking, enjoying the beautiful weather. And he ended up inviting me to this, it's kind of like a private hippie gathering type of event that's happening in this town over the weekend. So tomorrow when I'm done here, I'll be fully done tomorrow. In the evening or the very late afternoon, then I'll have to go back, get my stuff, my tent and stuff, and then I'm gonna return here. So I'm gonna be riding quite a bit tomorrow because I can only take the ferry one way. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to go both ways. Well, maybe I won't even be able to go one way. We'll see. That's a problem for future me. You're gonna have to deal with that. But yeah, I'm just gonna ride slow, enjoy the beautiful scent of spring and all these plants coming alive and just the wonderful sounds. Wow, look at this plant. Are those spider webs? Or is it just how this plant is? This looks crazy. I've been back here for a while. Talked to Jens. We went shopping. This thing is ready now. I think it's some fish stuff in here. I'm gonna move it over so I can use this for making the same type of chicken that I made yesterday, but with even more stuff in it. We got mushrooms as well, we got beets, all kinds of deliciousness. It's gonna be the upgraded version this time around. Yeah, but I'm probably gonna give this a taste first. I'm booting up the laptop to see if I can't talk to Stony while cooking. Look at this stuff. Found this amazing knife, this crinkle cut knife, and I crinkle cut the potatoes and the beets. I got an entire garlic so far. I tucked the cloves all the way underneath all the ingredients. They're touching the bottom of the pan, which is going to fill up with chicken grease and avocado oil as well. Wow, this stuff is amazing, but expensive. But thankfully, Jens likes good things. He likes to eat good, so I get to flex some proper cooking instead of all the ghetto cooking I'm doing. This is nice. I'm just gonna add some coriander, black pepper, and salt. I don't want to complexify it too much. I found the right balance last time. I tried fitting it into these different trays first, and then I was like, they probably have a big oven tray underneath, and of course they did. But yeah, I'm just gonna put this in the oven and do a little bit more work, I think. But yeah, the leeks, I need to cut those, and I'm gonna add them in the last 15 minutes or so, because otherwise they're just gonna burn to a crisp. They're not really gonna have any flavor. Alright. I added the spices, look at that. And I rubbed it in with the avocado oil. Oh yeah, I also added some cumin in there. Cumin seed, flour, whatever you call it. Cumin and coriander go amazingly together. It's used together a lot in Somali cooking, along with cloves and cinnamon and black pepper. Actually, all those five mixed together they call awash, I believe. I'm only half Somali, so I say they. I'm not even sure I'm pronouncing it right, but I know how to make it, and it's delicious. And I also know how to make sambus, a Somali version of the what do you call those triangular samosa? Yeah, I'll make that one day. No more work today. I'm actually happy about that. I'm ready to chill. Let's fucking go. Hi, Michael. Vsauce.